next one is very different. It's our the kitchen bag, the kitchen rack. This the kitchen work table. This the stainless steel board on the top. And this the 2 pieces of the wine shelf and with the 1 piece of the wine basket. But the wine shelf and the basket, the surface finish is can't finish. But on the top is the stainless steel board on the top. So for this item, the post size is 25. And the side of this one is 80 by 80 feet, and the total height is 97. So the side, this is the side. And this item with the 3-inch wheel. The wheel material is rubber wheel. 2 without brake and 2 with brake and 2 without brake. They are easy to move. And for this item, it is hot sales in US market. And they are widely used in the restaurant kitchen and the hotel kitchen. So you can carton the things or the foods on the stainless steel table, and put some the fruits on the shelf and the basket. So they are widely used in the restaurant kitchen. So this is the style. This is very special with the stainless steel material and the metal material. For this washer is can't finish. So this item is very special for the hotel kitchen or the restaurant kitchen. If you like this one, you can choose this one. And this is the hot sales in market. So you can, if you want to get more details, you can contact our sales to get the details of it. And the next one is the tooth layer. And the tooth layer of the kitchen work table. For this one is different with that one. This is the tooth layer and the post size. For this one, the post size is 38. This very bigger than this one. This one is the post size is 25. This 25, but this one is 38. And the top. This one, the top is also stainless steel on the top, and the post and the wine shelf are the cold finish. So this item is very hot sales in the US market. They are widely used in the hotel kitchen and the restaurant kitchen and some other place. So for this item, the loading capacity is about 300 kilos per share. And for this item now is with the legging fit. But if you choose this one, we also have this one with the wheels. We also can with the wheels. You can choose the items what you like of them. And